Welcome! If you're tired of getting constant notifications every time someone comments on a forum post in Roblox, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn off forum comment notifications on Roblox Mobile, with the latest steps for 2025. This quick guide will help you enjoy a quieter, more focused Roblox experience, so let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Roblox app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look down at the bottom right corner. You'll see 3 dots labeled More. Go ahead and tap on those 3 dots. Next, a new menu will pop up. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Settings. Tap on Settings to open up all your Roblox preferences. Inside the Settings menu, look for the section called Notifications. Tap on Notifications to access all the different alerts Roblox can send you. Now, you'll see a list of notification types. Find and tap on Mobile Push Notifications. This is where you control what notifications pop up on your phone from Roblox. Scroll down until you see the option for Community Forum Comments. This is the setting that controls notifications for forum comment activity. If the toggle switch next to it is green or turned on, that means you're currently getting those notifications. To turn them off, simply tap the toggle switch so it turns gray or off. That's it. You've now disabled forum comment notifications on your Roblox mobile app. From now on, you won't be interrupted by alerts every time someone comments on a forum post. You can always come back and turn this setting back on if you change your mind later. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your distraction-free Roblox adventures.